Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy Sports website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button within the homepage and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, if you wish to delete your account, then hover over to the account icon at the top right corner and then click on ESPN profile. Now from this page, if you scroll all the way down, you will see the delete account button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete your account. Now since this is linked with your Disney account, this might also delete all of your other accounts that are associated with this account. So if you are sure that you want to proceed forward, click on the yes button and your account will be scheduled for deletion. If you don't log back in for at least 3 weeks, then your account will now be permanently deleted. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.